Okay, we're doing these questions from a government function questions from a government 2017 government grade 11 exam. Um, and let's just try it. It says write down the asymptotes of F. Well, F is a parabola, and here are the asymptotes. The easiest one is y equals 1. That's called the horizontal asymptote, and we'll use it to sketch the graph of this hyperbola. The other one is x equals minus 2. An asymptote is a place where this hyperbola will never touch, where it can't be, where it just can't get to. And where this function can't get to is x is minus 2, because minus 2 plus 2 would make 0, and dividing by 0 is undefined. So that's your answers. Y equals 1, the horizontal asymptote, and x equals minus 2, the vertical asymptote. Okay, write down the range of G. Well, if you know that this is an exponential equation, the asymptote of this exponential equation is y equals minus 4. And that's kind of like an airport. If you draw y equals minus 4, a dotted line, the equation will start from that dotted line. Let's say the line was right here. It'll start along here, and then it'll bend up. But the values, that's these y values here, they'll always be greater than minus 4. No matter what I put in for x, I can't get to minus 4. So that's why the answer is y is any element of the real numbers you want, but y has to be greater than minus 4. That's called the range, all the things that y can be. Now let's try this one. What is the x-coordinate of x and y-intercepts of f? Well, the easiest one is the y-intercept. Just take 0 and put it in there. Well, minus 3 over 2 plus 1. My calculator tells me it's minus a half. So 0 and minus a half is the y-intercept. Now, the other one, to find that we just found the y-intercept by letting x equal 0. To find an x-intercept, we need to let y equal 0. Now, to solve this equation, some people have a little trouble with it. If I multiply everything by the denominator, x plus 2, it turns into this nice thing here. 0 times x plus 2 is 0. Minus 3 over x plus 2 times x plus 2, it cancels. You just get minus 3. And then 1 times x plus 2, well, that's just x plus 2. Well, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. And then I add 1 to both sides. I get x equals 1. In fact, there you have it. The x-intercept is 1. So the coordinates of the x-intercept are 1 and 0. And the y-intercept is 0 and minus a half. Woo, I've got a lot of information to be able to sketch the hyperbola and to sketch the exponential equations. I've got the asymptotes that'll help me draw the thing. I've got the x and y-intercept of the hyperbola. Hey, I've got enough to be able to sketch this thing. In fact, let's sketch those two things, and but in the next video. Okay.